Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, it's been a little while since we've done some stuff. My background's a little different today because, as you all know, it's fast approaching. That's right, wintertime is fast approaching. So we are back out here at the bush. Some also of you have also asked, Eric, you're a farming channel. Why are you showing the excavator? I want to point out to you that the excavator is a very important part of our farming career. And it's a lot of fun. I have a lot of fun driving this. So I'm sure that you guys would have a lot of fun and enjoy seeing what I get to do with it. I'm taking out a bit of a section of bush. Okay, so when these hydro people here, when they put their line in, they cut a nice straight path through the bush. So these are really nice bush trees. As you can see, there's a couple there in the background. They are straight as an arrow and no branches on them until you get to the top because they can't get any sunlight till they're at the top. That's why bush trees are so much better to cut than fence line trees, because fence line trees, they got all kinds of sun. So there's branches sticking this way and that way and every way, and it's a whole lot of more cutting. So the bush section started about here, and I've gotten that far, but now it's getting a lot wider. So I'm gonna be at it, trying to push those trees over for a lot longer. Yeah, it's gonna take me a lot longer in order to get somewhere. Also, fun little thing that you guys don't know, I've been losing teeth. I lost 2 already. There's a little clip back in here, right there. That clip breaks over time. It breaks faster when you are working with concrete and crap, just harder material. The trees and the dirt is not so bad. But amongst all of that, we have a special treat for you guys today. So I hope you enjoy and you get to see what it's like to knock over some pretty big tall trees. Well, guys, what do you think about that? Pretty cool, eh? Yeah, we took down, I don't know, I was on the other side of this ditch, so somewhere around here, I think. Somewhere around in here is where I started, so 4 hours got me that far. There's a lot of trees, bigger trees that needed some digging and fishing around and moving stuff. There's just a lot of stuff. There's just a lot of stuff. And we gotta go not too much further. We gotta go from here to poles, but I bet you I'll be a few days yet. But look at all these trees. Wow, yeah, lots of trees. Lots of trees, lots of firewood. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you later. If you liked it, give her a thumbs up. Take care and God bless.